Today I will try Shopify dropshipping with a small budget. Now, if you clicked on this video, then you probably know what Shopify dropshipping is, so I will just skip this part. I will cover most of the things I've done, so you can correct me. So let's get into the first step, which is one of the most critical parts to building a successful dropshipping store: product research. There is a lot of ways to find so-called winning product, but I decided to stop on the most popular and free method right now, through TikTok. I searched products on TikTok, made me buy it hashtag, and filtered them by the last 3 months. After 2 hours or so, I just came across this product called Message Mat. This dropshipper was selling it for $12, but you can find it for $6 on CG Dropshipping, so he have only $6 margin. But I will increase the selling price so our margin can also cover ad spend. I chose this product because in the past I was selling product kind of in the same niche, health and pain relief. And this product matches the popular criteria like wow factor, 2 to 3x margins, solves a problem, evergreen, and it have a fast shipping. After picking a product, it's time for the easiest part of dropshipping, the website creation. A lot of time beginners get stuck on this part, but I decided I will not spend a lot of time on this and just build a nice website. I chose a tutorial on YouTube and just followed step by step, which I will link in the description down below. So in the end, the website looks like this. So a simple logo, and the copy was partly written with ChatGPT. Very simple website. After building a store, the next step is the most hardest and important: marketing, or being more specific, creatives. Mainly there are 2 ways of marketing your product: using ads on platforms like TikTok and Facebook, or organic method, which is more popular right now, but I will try it in the next video. Now, for this video I will do TikTok ads. First, I found successful ads with similar products on TikTok Ad Creative Center and recreated them. I used the videos from my competitor which we found earlier, so I made my own versions of their videos but with my product. Secondly, after I got my 3 ad creatives, because I had a fresh TikTok ad account, I need to warm it up first. So I created the campaign with $50 budget, CBO on, only United States, 18+, and no interest. On that group level, I uploaded our 3 ad creatives and added 3 different ad texts. Then duplicated this ad group, so in total we have 10 same ad groups, and I left it spent the full $50. After campaign spent $50, we got no sales and poor metrics. CPC is expensive, CPM is also high, but that was expected because it was just warm-up. After that, I created a campaign with $100 lifetime budget, again completely broad, 18+, but now with a cost cap of $9. Added the same 3 videos and text that we used in the last campaign, but this time I duplicated 11 times, and each time I added the ad group, I add an additional $1 to the cost cap, so it will be 9, 10, 11, 12, and up to $20 cost cap. As I launched this campaign, I started seeing spending issues. The campaign was active for 9 hours with only $4 spent. I know that if the cost cap is too low, then TikTok will not even try to push our ads to users, but that's why I set multiple cost caps. So after contacting TikTok support, they just said that my TikTok ad account may be in the learning phase, so I just waited. At the end of the day, somehow campaign spent $33. So I just let it run for the next day until I got to $44 in ad spend. And guess how many sales I got from the campaign? 0. And the metrics were even worse: $3 CPC and sky-high CPM. At this stage, as I did not get any sales, my TikTok testing strategy recommends moving to another product or try testing another creatives, so I shut down the campaign. But surprisingly, someone bought an extended version of this Message Mat. I guess the person just saved this product for later and then just bought it. Maybe even if it was just one lucky sale, at least I get a proof that it works and not a popular big scam.
This new Lamborghini here.
In the end, after all our expenses, the profit is negative $140. Now it's time for takeaways. First is that after sharing these results with some people in the e-com community, they said that my creatives were bad. Now I understand that. Next time, the video should not look like an ad, but like a TikTok video. And that's why I think this is the main reason why my ads did not bring many sales. So maybe not the product was bad, but creatives are. Secondly is that I didn't use Shopify Store Analyzer like Shop Hunter to see how many sales the shop is actually getting. If we check the website of my competitor that I showed earlier, we can see that he is not getting consistent sales at all. Thirdly, next time I will create a niche or general store, because creating a new store for each product I will test will take a lot of time. So let me know what you'd like to make the next video about. I will answer all comments. See you soon.